Hi guys, today we'll be taking a first look on Marantz MA-9 clone. I got it for $250 shipping included. It's supposed to deliver 80 watts per channel into 8 ohms and 120 watts of output power into 4 ohm speakers per channel. Thanks to the idea by Manfred, thank you Manfred, we have this nice science and technology invention that allows me to rotate the amplifier. Okay, so starting with the chassis. The chassis, as usual, I'm spoiled by the quality of chassis. I'm used to expect the high quality chassis on all the clones. As you can see, the top lid is, I think, 4 millimeters, and it's something that can be described as a little device. Okay, the chassis is solid aluminum. We have a radiator block on one side only because all of the actual amplifier parts are on one PCB board here. But let's start with the outside look. On the outside we will have power on switch and volume control pot. On this side of the device we'll have a rather big and hefty aluminum radiator, and in the back of the device we have power socket with integrated fuse compartment. We have speaker tabs, small but nice looking speaker tabs, and we have one set of RCA inputs. Okay, so not much to see on the outside, but it's just everything we need because that's pure power amplifier. So we will not have a set of inputs, and we will not have any kind of input selector. Now let's take a look inside. What's interesting here, starting from the power section. Toroidal transformer rated for, let me see if you'll be able to see that, yes, for 300 watts. We have a board that is used for the capacity power banks, and these are Elna for audio 10,000 microfarads capacitors. We have 4 of them, so 40,000 microfarads in total. We have a rectifier here, and the board doubles also as a place for speaker protection relay, because the actual output of audio signals from the amplifier board goes to this connector, through the relay, and then via this wires to the speaker tabs. When we are speaking about the wires, everything is placed in a quite neat way. Everything is organized nicely, and the boards and the amplifier is using industrial connectors for all of the boards, which means 2 things. The first one, that it will be a very easy thing to do any kind of service or upgrade, because it's very easy to disconnect and take out both PCB boards. And on the other hand, this is a field to do some small upgrades, because you can replace these wires with something better, and you can solder them directly to the board and directly to the speaker tabs. So if you're into some do-it-yourself stuff, you can make this amplifier a little bit better. Okay, speaker relay here is provided by Songle, some kind of Chinese company. Other capacitors found on the board are Nippon chemical capacitors, so that's quite fine. Okay, now the amplifier board itself. Let's zoom in a little. Yeah, like that. Yes, it's focused. Okay, so as you can see, the actual amplifier board is symmetrical for right and left channels. We have some Nippon chemical capacitors all of the brown ones. We have two German WIMA capacitors. We have some ceramic resistors here, all of the white ones. We have some really nice looking coils. Let's try, yeah, these ones, very nice. We have also, where is it? Yeah, here. And we have OP07 operational amplifiers, two of them, one per channel. So this one will be also a candidate to check if the discrete modules will change the sound. Yeah, and while you're here, we have something like that here. It's a resistance bridge for the inputs, so it's either some kind of correction to the input impedance of the amplifier, or it's to bridge the volume potentiometer, because maybe the volume potentiometer is too high in value, in resistance value. So anyway, that's something I'm not sure I like here. And when I'll do the first video with full audio test with these like they are here, so in stock configuration, and then I'll desolder them and I'll check what change does it bring to the table. Okay, and once again, while we're at the wires and cables from the input, these are going straight to the volume pot, which is found here, yeah, on this small PCB board here. As you can see, it's using small industrial connectors, and the output from the volume pot then goes directly to the PCB board here, which means it's very easy to mod to bypass the volume pot, because all you need to actually do is just to disconnect the input from this PCB board and connect it here instead of the output from the volume pot board. So it's extremely easy to do, and it'll bypass the internal volume pot, which is not exactly the highest quality, and allow you to fully use preamplifier of your digital to analog converter with volume control. Yes, what else do we have that I should probably mention? All in all, I like the build. It's after the burn-in right now, so the burn-in is finished. It's ready for the listening session. I need to take find some time to do this listening session and to record the full video. Yeah, why did I get this one? I did get this one because it's small, it's very compact, it's quite powerful, and but the reason that actually made me decide to buy this one is that the description says that this was originally produced as a do-it-yourself kit, and the kit was quite successful for a few years, but they realized that less and less people are into do-it-yourself, and less people were actually buying the kit. But they knew that the quality of this amplifier is very high, and it would be a very sad thing to lose this construction from the market. So they've decided to build a ready-made amplifier around it, just to keep it alive. And I think that got my attention definitely, and that was the reason I got this one. After that kind of a description, I just had to listen to it by myself, for myself. Okay, so as you may have already noticed by the branding on the front plate, it's made by HiFi. What's also interesting is one of the things that I'll show you here. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in even more. Yes, here. Both of the boards are branded with HiFi. but the thing that I wanted to show you is the version on the PCB. It says it's from July of this year, so it's a very fresh construction. And actually the description said that this port had several revisions because it was upgraded, corrected, etc., etc. So let's find the second marking here. Yeah, also the July date. I have pretty high expectations for the sound quality of this amplifier after such an introduction, after such a description from the offer. Stay tuned for a full video. I'll post the links to the store I got that one from in the description of the video. If I forgot about anything, if you think you saw something interesting inside that I missed, please let me know and just ask me in the comments. Yeah, I think that's it. So it looks like a good quality build. It looks like a good clone of classic amplifier with very good looking. The actual amplifier board is full symmetrical, so let's hear it. Stay tuned for a full video and learn how does it sound. See you around, guys. Bye.